Oh my God. Kinabahan ako dun. my heart sunk. I felt I'm gonna drop my new camera. Hi everyone, it's Meredith George again and welcome back to my channel. So for today, we're going to do another gadget unboxing video, and this time is the Sony ZV-1 camera. So this came in the mail today, and this is my Christmas wish list. That is why I'm wearing red. So thank you to my dear Santa husband for giving me this gift. So thank you for supporting my craziness in vlogging. So let's open it. Because we ordered it overseas, this one came from Hong Kong. I will link down the store below where we got it. Hey, here it is. So what do we have in the box? So we have the manual. Of course, we have the Digicam. Okay, with the flip screen. We have the USB cable. We have the wind muff, or it's called the dead cat. The battery. So here are the items. So this is the camera. It's called the Sony ZV-1. We call Z letter Z in Australia. Maybe in other countries, Philippines or USA, they call letter Z a Z. But in Australia, we call it Z. So anyway, so I chose this camera because it's a vlogging camera. It has its internal microphone. It has instantly the button for bokeh effect. It has a flip screen, and so when you're outdoor, you can put the wind muff or the dead cat into the hot shoe. So let's try it. I'll try to put the battery if it's charged. So put it like this, and this one. I saw in other reviews that they recommend to get an extra battery because of the battery life, but we'll test that. So here it is. So I've tried the battery, set it up, so it's currently working. What I love about this camera is that all the options are instantly available on top. So this is the, of course, the on and off button, and then this is the record button. This is the bokeh effect, and this is the wide angle. It has the internal mic here, and you can put the wind muff when you're outside. So it's like that. It will look like this. I will try this outside to test, guys, and I will show the videos later. So I also got the Sony shooting grip, which you can buy separately. I will link down below in the description box where I got this. So it's recommended that you get the shooting grip together with the ZV-1 camera. So let's unbox this. This is my first time seeing what's inside. So this is the shooting grip, which can also be converted into a tripod. You can use this to maneuver your camera. Of course, we got the manual. We got a pouch. Yay! And a battery. So it's battery operated. So you just have to open this area. Yeah, I just saw. And you can put this battery inside to operate. Maybe let's put it now. I'm actually surprised that it's battery operated. I think I didn't see that in any reviews. So yeah, this is the first time. So what I like about this is you can easily use this. I believe you can Bluetooth this with the ZV-1, and you can press photo or movie. So let's put it together with the ZV-1. So oh God. Oh my God. All okay. Kinabahan ako dun. My heart sunk. I felt I'm gonna drop my new camera. And here are all the items. So this is how it looks like with the grip. So it's easy when you're doing your vlog. So this camera is really made for vlogging. It's more of a video camera than a photo camera. Of course, you can also use the photo option, but this is more for video recording. So finally, I'll have my proper camera now. Usually, I just use my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 camera for doing my vlog. So now I'm so happy I have a proper camera. Also, with this one, you can use this shooting grip as your tripod, like this. So it will look like this. Later, I'll show you the options available for the ZV-1. So now I'm testing my Sony ZV-1. So as you can see, the image quality is good. What I like about this, a real-time eye detection. Tracking my eyes. As you can see, real-time, where I want to move. It's tracking my eyes. Let's try bokeh, automatically blurring the background. So it's doing a bokeh effect. Another feature that I like is the autofocus, because it's really accurate and can easily detect the product or items that you put in front of your face. See that? It's detecting the product against my face. My face is in a bokeh effect or blurry, but straight away the product, yeah, it will capture it. So I don't have to put my palm behind the products. So it's really good. What else? So I like the wind muff. So this one we'll try it when I go outside. I'm using the grip, which is also good. I'll try to use the auto grip later. I just have to charge the camera first. So keep on watching.
Hello, it's Meredith George. So I'm here at the park and I'm testing the ZV1 at nighttime. So it's already like 7 p.m. So let's see how the ZV1 looks like or works at nighttime. This is like 7 p.m. and I love the lights. I'm just using a auto ISO. This is the night mode of the Sony ZV1. So there's actually a light in front of me, that's why it's so bright, but it's tracking my face. So let's see if the product focus is working on nighttime. I'll try this one. Let's see it's focusing. That was quick. That was quick. So that's the product focus of the ZV1 at nighttime. So I'm using the internal mic of the Sony ZV1. So let me know if it's clear. It's automatically doing the bokeh effect as well. I want to activate the bokeh. Okay, like that. See the focus on my face and then. But if I want to activate, let's try. Without the focus or the bokeh, and with bokeh. And it's so instant. So this is with the bokeh, and I'll just press using my Bluetooth grip. I'll press C1 for the bokeh to be removed, and it's instant. So that you can see my background lights. And if I press bokeh again, it's automatic. Love it, guys.
So I saw for some I saw in other reviews that they recommend to get So let's try it.